Hi everyone, my name is Bharti Goyal. I have 17 plus years of experience into corporate training and consulting. This includes my 12 years of experience with S&P Global, and after that, in 5 years, I have served into a lot of corporates and colleges. As of now, I'm working as analytics expert. So today, what is the agenda? In this video, I would be telling you what is the correct approach to learn Tableau, right? So what is the agenda? What all we are going to discuss? So we would be talking about what wrong we do, what is the correct approach, how to correct that wrongdoings, and third, what are the benefits. So what wrong we do? Number one, we totally focus on the capabilities of the tool. So we totally focus on how to create the visuals in Tableau, how to create a filter, how to create a parameter, how to import the data. But we misses on, how to analyze the data, when to create which visual, what is the sequence? Like if we are doing analysis A, after that, how will you decide what is the next analysis? So we miss on these things, like why we are doing this analysis, what is the use case, how this analysis can be used in decision making into the business. We never focus on that. Number two, not learning from scratch. What we do, we pick up the data, we start analyzing the data, we create a report, we create a dashboard. We never focus on, from where this data came from, how this data has been collected, how this data has been prepared, how the data modeling has been done, right? Number third, we do not do any capstone project. So after finishing the course, when we are going for the projects, again, we are doing the same mistake. We are starting from the later stage, like we are picking up the data set and we are doing the analysis and then we are submitting the report. Again, we missed on those steps of data mining, data preparation, data modeling. So these are the mistakes we are doing. And if I talk about like where we are doing these mistakes, so if you are doing the course yourself, like you are learning from YouTube, or you are opting for some self-paced courses of any company in the market, or probably you are going for live sessions. So everywhere you are making these mistakes. So you can opt for any kind of mode to learn Tableau, but you need to make sure you are not doing these things. These are wrong steps. So what is the correct approach? Let's focus on that. So you need to focus on four things together when you are learning Tableau. First of all, along with learning the technical capabilities of the tool, you have to focus on the KPIs. So whichever department data you have taken for the analysis, you should be aware of the KPIs of that department, right? What are the key performance indicators for that department? What are the analysis this department needs to do for better decision making, why we are doing these analysis, what is the benefit, how the insight would be helpful. So we are talking about use cases there. And there should be a flow in your analysis. You cannot create charts randomly. Okay, now check this one, now let's plot this. No, there should be a storytelling. You need to follow a goal, right? Your analysis should have a goal. And for that, you are doing the analysis. So there should be a story, there should be a flow, right? Second point, you need to learn from the scratch. So never start from picking up the data and then data analysis. You need to learn data mining, how we need to collect the data, different sources from where we can get the data, different department. They can be in different format. That is not a problem, because the next step would be data understanding and data preparation, where we can bring all the different file formats into the same file format. That is not a problem, right? And data modeling, like for example, you have multiple tables as a data. Then to access the data across table, you have to connect those tables. So that process is called data modeling, where you are deciding, okay, how to connect those tables. You are creating a data model. So these steps are very important. What happens? You miss on them, and later on when you hit corporate, what happens? No one is giving you that ready-made data, which is clean, which is well prepared, and there is a common column in all the tables as well. You have to do those steps. So if you're not learning these steps, you are going to face those problems at that time. So you have to follow that entire cycle. You need to learn that entire journey of data analysis. So this should be your focus, and this is the correct approach. Third, you have to do a capstone project. So what is a capstone project? How it is different different than a normal project. In a normal project, again, you are doing the same mistake. You are picking up a data set, you are analyzing it, creating a report, submitting it, and getting a certificate. No, don't do this. Do a capstone project. So capstone means when you are doing everything from the scratch, right? You would be collecting the data, which is data mining. Then you would be understanding the data, prepare the data, and create a data model. Then you will start with the analysis or visualization. Then you will proceed towards the report and dashboard generation as well. So do that project. That would be beneficial because it is giving you that clear insight from A to Z, right? So these are the 3 points you need to figure out. If you have these points in your course, like you are doing the course, you are learning Tableau. If you have these things clear in your mind, you would be learning it better way, right? Now, what are the benefits when you are following the correct approach? It gives you 360-degree meaningful learning, right? Because you are following the complete cycle, you are learning each and every step of the cycle. Second, when you are doing a capstone project, it has a better value in your CV as compared to a normal project. So these are the benefits. So if you are planning to learn Tableau, you need to make sure that when you inquire from the company about their courses, you are clearing these things, because we at Edu4Sure are taking care of these things, and we are preparing the candidates totally for the corporate without missing on any single step. So if you are opting for our self-paced, the same thing has been followed by the trainer there also. If you are learning for the live classes, any trainer you get, he or she would be following the same approach, because this is a company policy of following this approach for each and every course, for each and every tool we are teaching in the market, right? So this is what I was talking about. And now if you have any queries in this video related to anything, if you want to talk to us to clear any other doubt, if you want to learn Tableau with us in any mode, we have weekend batches also, we have live sessions, one-to-one also, we have self-paced also. You can connect with us on the provided WhatsApp number. You can also drop an email to us at the provided email ID on the screen. So thank you so much. We wish you all the best. Stay connected.